Hey guys, this is Miss Caspero. Welcome to second semester of the 2021 school year. This is your second semester, and we are in a course called NC Math 4. It's the second time I've gone through it. First time was last semester, and it's kind of familiar to you. We've got a lot of stuff, but it's just mainly more in depth. But there is some new material as well. I've taught here for about 13 years. I'm in room 106 if you need to come out here. My hours got here are from 7:30 to 3, Monday through Friday. I've given you the school number, and my extension's 4232. You can text me, 919-432-4122. Email me at that email address. Or you can inbox me within the Canvas course. It automatically goes to email, so I'll see it and I'll answer you, which it goes back to the inbox and I think sends you an email too. All right. You have done this before. This is not all new material, functions and things like that. But some of it, like I said, is a little bit more in depth. All right, when you open the course, you will see this basic course right here, the home page. You will have a to-do list, and this is your to-do list for this week. So while it looks like a lot, these are announcements, your weekly progress, what we're doing. And these are basic things of how to go through the course, how to do course navigation, work your way through the course, what each of these things mean. Setting up an NC Math 4 folder in your Google Drive so that you will go there and do a new one. It'll always be available to me. I won't have to send things back to you saying I don't have access. If we set up a folder giving me access, I'll always be able to get in and see your assignment, which is important. The equation editor app, that's also showing you how to do it. And the Google equation editor shows you how to do it. You're going to want to open up a second tab on your, go back to your Rapid Identity, your NC Ed Cloud, and open up 2 Canvas courses. That way you'll have this one that you're going through, and you'll have the other one that you can do all these things on to see what's going on. And you need that. Okay? Probably will put a Google Drive down here, but I've cut off everything else because I want you guys to go in through modules. You've got a couple ways to do it. I've got this one right here. Click this box. That takes you to modules. Go to the modules page first. That goes to modules. Okay? Your syllabus, that will have a list of all these things in order what you've got. People is everybody in the course. So if you've got a group assignment or a partner assignment, you can go to people and see who all's here. And if you can find one you know, or just send out an inbox to somebody that you don't know and check with them. Grades, you can click on that to find any of your missing or late assignments. Don't email me for that. Okay, and announcements is where I'll put your weekly learning points every week. Okay, some of you I'm sure were here last semester, so you know about the online attendance. Attendance is taken by the Canvas login. It's recorded the following day. If you are in class, we record it that day, but if you are virtual or at home for that week, it's recorded the following day. Monday's attendance is taken Tuesday morning. Canvas only records your attendance if you click on something other than the home page. Okay, just a heads up warning. There are several places that I can see when you go into the course. If you only go into the same places, it can overwrite your attendance. So please don't email me with an attitude that you're really angry because I marked you absent and you were there. The fact of the matter is, it's not showing you being there. So I just need you to know I'm following exactly the same thing every day. I go in and I check it. All right. I just wanted to let you know so no one's surprised, and we're not going after you for your attendance. I'm just letting you know. Okay.